DC motors are electrical motors powered by direct current or DC. DC is a type of electrical current that flows in one direction only, from sources such as batteries or solar panels. DC may also be produced through the use of a rectifier, which is an electrical device which converts alternating current, or AC, to DC. In spite of their structural differences, the 5 main types of DC motors discussed in this course perform the same basic function. They convert electrical energy into mechanical energy to spin, lift, wind, or move objects.